Prompt Create Code. Create a vibrant and dynamic Pygame animation where geometric shapes are drawn sequentially in the center of the screen. The shapes include a circle, square, triangle, hexagon, star, rectangle, and rhombus, each rendered in its own unique color. The circle is red, the square is green, the triangle is blue, the hexagon is yellow, the star is orange, the rectangle is cyan, and the rhombus is magenta. Each shape smoothly transitions in size, expanding and contracting from a minimum radius to a maximum radius, with a step size of 10 pixels. The animation loops through the shapes continuously, with the shapes growing and shrinking in size. At the bottom of the screen, display the text "Code by Arvin September 24th, 24" in white as the shapes change.